We're Immobiliser Fit and this is a brand new 2023 Audi A6 protected with Halo Mini with total kill. So the way the Halo Mini works, if someone got the key, went to steal the vehicle, as you see this one's a hybrid, it's powered up, but this just will not go into gear, stays in park until it sees a code. So for now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We get a flash from the indicators, we can select our gear and drive off. As soon as we get out the vehicle, the system becomes active. So if someone grabbed your key as you got home, they'd be unable to take your vehicle. With the total kill, if you're giving this car to a friend, obviously they knew your code and they've been driving it around. You don't want them to drive it anymore, but they haven't brought the car back, you can disable the keypad entry. If the customer wants to change the code on this system, what they'll do, turn the ignition on, obviously prove it's them with their code. As you can see, it's already disarmed, we didn't get the flash. Now without starting the vehicle, we'll put our foot to the floor and the accelerator 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We get 2 flashes. Now it's ready to learn a new code, so we'll just set 1, 2, 3, 4 and we'll turn the ignition off. We get 1 flash. Now our code's been changed. As you'll see, if we go to start the vehicle and put it into gear, it's not going to go into gear. Pop the old code in, no flash. So we'll start it up, go for the new code, get our flash, we can select our gear and drive away. Also, this has a service mode. The total kill, you can go into the app, disable keypad entry, stop the vehicle from moving, all within the app. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit and this is a Halo Mini with total kill. Thanks for watching.